Tap on new project to start a new project. Go to stock videos, select the video with the black background and add. Then tap on it and extend to at least 10 seconds. Go back, tap on text, then add text. Now you can write anything you want to add. So I'm going to write new product. Let's say the name of my new product is new product. And then you extend it to get to the end of the video. Then go to style and click on font and look for Anton. After you select it, resize the text by dragging with both your fingers on the screen to make it bigger. So we need to use the mask option to do the review, and here there is no masking option. So what we do is download the script first, right? So tap on this 1080p and change the frame rate to 60 and the resolution as well to 180p if it's not already in 180p, and then you export. After exporting, click on done. Tap on new project to start a new project and select this video that we just exported. Add it to the timeline, and now we can edit. Select this video and swipe to look for mask option. Now inside this mask option there is film strip. Select the film strip and rotate using the two fingers till it's 90 degrees. So you can see the number counting up there. It has to be on 90. So now on this video the left and right side is not visible, only the middle. So what this arrow does, this arrow here, what it does is that when you drag it towards the left, it shows a little transition. You can drag as much as possible. So I'll drag like this, and with my two fingers I bring these two lines close to each other. So now I animate. Okay, click on OK, and then we use the keyframe. This diamond up here is a keyframe, so we need at least 2 keyframes to do the animation. So you tap on the keyframe, this first line in the beginning, tap on the keyframe, yeah, then we move a bit, say like 2 seconds, tap on it again, then you click on the mask and you move it on your screen, move it on the screen. And then click OK. So what we're doing now is moving the timer a little bit so that we can add the animation to some other parts of the text. Move, add the keyframe. Okay. So now at the end, we're going to drag these 2 lines away from each other so the whole text can be revealed in the end. Okay. Now let's preview it and see what we have. And that's how you create the cinematic style text review or animation. If you like this video, follow for more videography tips. Bye.